Ships burned like stars in the black, soundless and furious. Cruisers hammered at each other. Gun batteries filled the void with punishing light. Thousands died with every passing second. Subodhan Khan laughed.
"Glorious,"
he said. On the bridge view screen, a vessel, not one of his, died a torturous death, spilling its innards across the starscape.
"Glorious,"
he repeated, louder. He leaned forward.
"If we had but a few more ships."
"It would still not be enough," Kanim said from behind him. "You know this, my Khan. We have caught them by surprise, but only for a moment. They will turn on us soon and bite back." Subodhan tossed the Stormseer a sour look, but said nothing. Kanim was right. They had caught the foe by surprise, but that was all. The enemy were preoccupied with Pergamon and its orbital dockyards. The majority of their vessels were in formation to attack a planet, not defend against a hostile fleet. But they were already moving into position. New lines of fire were being drawn, and confusion was giving way to eagerness. For some warriors of the Adeptus Astartes, Void War was deemed an unpleasant necessity, a thing to be done, and quickly. But for others, it was as the sweetest of mare's milk. Those Space Marines often came to command their own vessels. They plotted courses and maneuvers the way their brothers plied a blade. There would be some of those on the other side.
"How long?"
he murmured. "My Khan?"
"How long, Shaman? How long do you think those captains have sailed the stars? Since Horus let himself be damned? Longer?"
Kanim was silent for a moment. "Does it matter?"
"Of course it matters. Look, there. Those ships closing on our starboard. That's an Einbolt formation. Archaic. Only the Iron Hands still use it with any regularity. Ships' drives have changed some in the thousands of years since that formation was used."
He barked an order, and the chapter serfs on the bridge snapped into action.
"We are stagnant, but they are worse,"
he continued, as the Silent Horseman's great engines fired, and the battle barge began to come about. He tapped his forehead.
"Frozen up here, not just in the way of things, but in the way of thinking about things. They are still fighting the last war. Always that war. But we have had many new wars to learn the many new ways of doing things."
He raised his sheathed talwar from his lap in silent signal. The battle barge shuddered as its batteries roared. A frigate convulsed like a wounded beast, twisting on a ruptured core. Another plowed on, soaking up the fire. It was tougher. Its time in hell had given it thick skin, but even the thickest skin can be pierced. Another twitch of the tulwar, and the Silent Horseman galloped towards the enemy, prow first. Subodhan heard an intake of breath from Kanim and chuckled.
"Be at peace, Shaman. I have done this before."
"Orc vessels come apart like paper compared to these." Subodhan laughed.
"Yes, they built them strong in those days."
He leaned forward, teeth bared, a predator on the hunt.
"But we built them stronger still."
Subodhan Khan serves as a captain of the White Scars during the 41st millennium. Renowned for his leadership of the 5th Company, the Stormwrath Brotherhood, their effective overwhelming strikes committed against the enemies of the Imperium proved to be the envy of many an Astartes chapter. Defending the oil and water drilling stations of the Armageddon Deadlands during the Third War for Armageddon, Subodhan's actions prevented the death of millions via dehydration during the Bloody Campaign. Clashing with the White Lightning speed cult of the Greenskins, the 5th Brotherhood drove the Xenos into the deadly Tempest Oceans during the Battle of Dante's Canyon, with Subodhan Khan slaying the Orc war boss in single combat, earning glory for his great Khan, Jubal. Reassigned to the invasion of the Okoasa system, Subodhan fought beside the Primara Space Marine lieutenants, Imperial Fist Haid Kalda, and Raven Guard Sail Karos during the Indomitas Crusade. and despite his smaller stature as a firstborn Space Marine, proved invaluable in obtaining victory due to his prowess both as a warrior and naval commander. Facing the forces of the Word-Bearers as they attempted to claim the ancient anchorite from the cathedral world of Almace, for his valor in battle, Subodin would be promoted to the rank of First Captain of the White Scars chapter, following the fatal injury of Jurga Khan during the War for Jagoris. Charging into the fray at the vanguard of the Spearpoint Brotherhood hereafter, as Master of the War Council, Subodin has proven an invaluable ally to their incumbent war leader and Master of the Hunt, Korsaro Khan, never faltering in his duty to uphold the glory and legacy of the Warhawk of Jagoris.